Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if apps stopped installing on your DELL Chromebook 3400. So the first troubleshooting step is opening the control center in the bottom right corner of the screen and checking whether your device has a decent connection with your Wi-Fi network. Also make sure that the Wi-Fi router that you're using is available for other devices around you. After that, we can open settings on the Chromebook, and in settings, scroll down to storage, scroll down to system preferences, and here you'll find storage management. Open storage management and make sure that you have enough available storage to install the application that you want. After that, if this is checked out, we can go to apps and go to manage Google Play preferences. Here, select Android settings. Then go to apps. Select Google Play Store. Now, force stop this application, click OK. And after that, go to storage and cache. Click clear cache. And then restart your laptop by going to Control Center, Power Options, Restart, and wait until your device is restarted. And after that, you should have no issues installing applications from Google Play Store on your computer. So just wait until the Play Store is restarted and try to download the application that you wanted to download once again. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.